Why are you like this? Why you sit on the top of the staircase? It's just weird. What's up? I guess you're fine. You always do that. But Tuna, what the heck? Are you okay? Don't be scared, Tuna. We're friends, right? You don't look so good. You alright? Tuna, you hungry? I got you. I got you with some meat. Bring you some. She don't look fun. Well, she looks like she's in pain for some reason. I hope it's not anything serious. You gotta keep an eye out for that. Because I don't really feed them a lot of meat. We're very poor and shit. You know, we don't have much to go around. Too many hungry? Eat. Not hungry? You sure? Dog doesn't eat meat. I'm confused. What is your deal? Love you though. Damn it, you're really feisty. You don't like me. I don't think. It's not disrespectful, aren't you? Eat it, no? Yeah, you licked your lips. It's like, you know. Alright, honey. Both of them don't listen. Okay, Tuna. Love you, you know that. You watching Mom? You feel weird I'm here, Tuna? Because you come up here, you don't even lie on your bed. Is there something wrong? Or you're just watching over there? It's a little sus, Tuna. Don't get me wrong. This is the staircase. We do walk through here. I don't feed into ignorance. You know what I mean? I do the same thing. I'm like, what do you mean, dude? And this was Ariana Grande's catchphrase, was it? Torrid. Cat, what do you mean? She plays it well because she's smart. There's a mosquito. Oh my gosh. Near Tuna. Is it flying near Tuna? Is it gonna bite Tuna? Are you fucking kidding? Get off, Tuna. Oh my gosh. Tuna thought I was trying to attack her. I think I got the mosquito though. Tuna got scared and flipped out. And I was trying to grab her, but I didn't want to knock her out the stairs. I'm weaker at this point. I'm not gonna kill the dog. Dog could fall and break its back or whatever. It's a little chihuahua. She's not the smallest chihuahua. She's like a bigger one, but still, they're very like fragile. So don't touch them like that. I guess she got mad. You know, she's a very finicky. Here, honey, eat that. It's meat. All for you. Tuna didn't want it. This is a real dog. She actually eats. I know, honey. It's not often, but what can I do? She's like, yeah, stand there and watch me eat. Maybe. But that mosquito was trying to be on Tuna. I don't know. It was a little awkward. I'm like, I had to slap it off. I hate mosquitoes. They're the bane of the human existence, except for, you know, other blood-sucking insects such as ticks, fleas, I guess, and biting flies, tabanids, I think they call them, I don't know. And of course leeches, I guess, I don't know, things like that, and parasites as such. And viral infections, that's like not parasites. So you're gonna eat it, honey? I'm just gonna leave it, because I'll eat it if you don't. There you go. Notice how they pick the ham first. It's their preferred meat of choice. She's like, chicken's pretty alright. I don't think she likes it as much now. She chews around the chicken, like, so it's not that good. It's still food, though. She likes it. She'll eat it, I mean. That was turkey. I don't know which to like, turkey or chicken more. But... Alright, honey. Good night, alright? I guess. Have a good night. You're doing better in health because Tuna feels neglected, I guess. She actually, like, Tuna does not have a brain. Honey does. She can tell I wasn't trying to hurt her, but Tuna gets riled up for that. Sorry for hitting the dog, but there was a mosquito. And Tuna, chill. See, you're shivering. Chill. This dog treats me like I'm some sort of fucked up. Alright. I'm just gonna leave her. So I don't like Tuna.